Hello everyone, uh, welcome to this another video. I will have this kind of question related to integral. We have this question, as you see. We have integral of x power 2 e power x power 3 dx. So here, the easy way to find the integral of this, we are going to substitute by let this x power 3 to be u. If we differentiate both sides, here we have 3x power 2 dx, which is du. As you see, you have this x power 2 times dx. Can you get it here? So x power 2 dx will be equal to du over 3. Let us replace this x power 2 dx by du over 3. So we have an integral. This x square dx will be du e power. Remember, x power 3 was u. So we have e power u. This and this will be du times du over 3. So this will be equal to this 1 over 3 out of integral. We have 1 over 3 integral of e power u du. The integral of e power u, it's e power u. So we have 1 over 3 e power u plus c. So remember to replace this u by its value. So the final answer will be 1 over 3 e power x power 3 plus c. Thank you for watching this video.